Okay, so GC, this is just a mess here, and I've got a number of ways of counting it as the beginnings of a downside move for this 5 of the C of 2 down to our target at 11.49, or it's a B wave and we're going to get a C of this alt 4 up, and it's pretty indistinguishable as to which. Not helped by the GDX, which has got an ABC up into a 1.0 extension for potentially all of its 4, or just A of its equivalent 4. So just leaving the metals alone, we've got 3 positions in miners that we now are safe on and have no reason other than our own mismanagement to lose money on, and they may or may not have bottomed. And that's about all I'm interested in positioning in this sector until we get that final low in both the metals and the GDX, at which point I might get a slightly more ambitious with my trade entries and management, just to make sure we get on board, and emphasis on the word slightly there. In the meantime, if we are coming down, we need to stay below 12.18 in GC at this point in time.